Hello guys, this is Jim Panos, Transformational Career Coach, accredited by the largest coaches organization in the world, ICF, the International Coach Federation, creator of the Find Your Passion formula, a career guidance tool to help you discover and pursue your passions and transform your life and pursue the career you truly love. And if you would like to learn how to be more influential, keep on watching this, because today we're talking about how to be more influential, okay? So, first of all, let's make a distinction. Being influential does not mean being manipulative, okay? No, influence does not equal manipulation. Manipulation is when you use others' emotions against them in order to take whatever you want for your own personal interest, okay? While influence means making an impact, okay? Making an impact to others and achieving your goals and your personal aspirations through helping others to achieve their goals and their own personal aspirations. That's a big difference. So here are 5 crucial steps you need to follow in order to be more influential. Okay? So, number 1, self-awareness. Okay? So that means 2 things. First of all, have a vision. Okay? And what I mean by vision is your personal contribution to the world. Okay? What would you like to be remembered for? What is your calling? Your destiny? Your life purpose, okay, your mission, you name it, okay, I don't care. But it's something that is bigger than yourself, okay? And this is exactly what will inspire others to follow you and help you achieve your goals and your vision. And it will be also your ultimate inner drive, okay? So have a vision, okay? A second part of self-awareness is being aware of your strengths and weaknesses, okay? Why is this important? For the simple reason that you need to find the right people will be able to complement your weaknesses, to be able to help you achieve your vision and your goals. Okay? So if you are not aware of them, of course, you will not be able, or you will be much more ineffective in terms of achieving your goals. Okay? If you have others to help you and the right team to help you, you're always achieving your goals and aspirations easier, faster, and in a more effective way. Okay, so this is number 1, self-awareness. Number 2, be authentic. Okay, authenticity is key here, and this means 2 things. First of all, you need to be who you actually are. Okay, so don't try to put any social mask in your face. It could be a corporate culture mask, it could be another kind of norm mask, but don't pretend. Okay, just be yourself. Okay, you don't have to behave in any specific pattern, norm, or way, as long as you maintain your own style and personality without offending others. Okay? And a second point in terms of authenticity is being vulnerable. Okay? Vulnerability is key. Why? Because although many people believe that vulnerability is a weakness, it's actually a power. Okay? It's actually a strength. Why? Because vulnerability is the ability to be vulnerable, and that means the ability to express your feelings and your emotions openly without having any fear of being judged of who you really are and of how you feel, okay, in this moment and in every moment. In this way, you give permission to others to do the same, to be able to express their feelings, okay, effectively and openly, okay, and that takes courage. Okay, and courage and generosity. So be generous and courageous with yourself and with others. So this is authenticity. Number 3, honesty. Be honest. Okay, and that does not mean only don't lie, but generally speak the truth. Okay, if you don't speak the truth, yes, you can actually incubate lies. So speak up the truth. Okay, be honest, and in this way you will be trust, and trust is key if you want to be influential. If others don't trust you, you will never have influence on them. Okay? No matter how force you might be able to use against them. Okay? Emotionally or even physically. Okay? So this is not influence, as we said before. Number 4, listen to others and empathize. Okay? Listening and empathy are key. First, you listen to others and you understand them. Then you are entitled to be listened to and be understood. Okay, most people feel that they are entitled to just talk, and have the expectations from others to constantly listen to them. Okay, no. First you listen. Okay, then you talk. Listen, understand their true needs, their perceptions about a problem or about a situation, and then talk. Okay, first listen. Okay, and as long as you do this, you will show empathy. Okay, and empathy is key. As long as you show to other people and you demonstrate that with your actions, okay, with your deeds, that you know something, I empathize with you, I feel you, I can understand you deeply, not just because I want to convince you of something, okay, you actually have a great impact on them, okay. And last but not least, acknowledge their opinion, okay. Acknowledgement is key, okay. Recognize the value of their opinion, okay. Even if you completely disagree with them, okay, it doesn't matter. What you need to do is you need to acknowledge them for their intention to give a perspective to your issue, okay, or to your disagreement, okay. So, to sum up, have self-awareness, okay, have your own vision, be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. Number 2, be authentic. Say what you want to say, be who you want to be, and be vulnerable. And this way, you give permission to others, okay. Number 3, be honest, okay. Speak the truth and build trust, okay. Number 4, listen to others and empathize with them. Number 5, acknowledge them. In this way, yes, you will have much more influence than you could have ever imagined, and you will both achieve your goals and help others achieve theirs. Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you liked our video, give us a like, a share, or a comment. And if you'd like to keep on watching our videos, subscribe on our channel. And if you would like to suggest anything that you would like to see in my new and first book, Find Your Passion, okay, feel free to share that in the comments below. In this book, it will be a step-by-step guide on how to discover your passions and pursue them, and in this way transform your life, okay. So if you would like anything me to include, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Take care.